Dancehall a buzz right now with one of the newest sensations, Harrow General. Wagwan Harrow.
Harrow side, you don't know no Sanjay. Harrow General, you don't know, very straightforward, kind-hearted, humble.
First, we never know if you're an artist, if it's a slang thing, or or if it's even a dancer. Explain to me how this slang and how everything come about.
Well, you don't know, people accept it as a slang, you know. You know what I mean? But for we, it's a way of life. Because I just was talking about me and how I grow and my moral standards and what I stand for, you know what I mean? So it was just a way of life. But I select a name 6 Killer, hear me say it and tell me to record it as an intro.
Yeah.
So I eventually record it as an intro. Other selector start want it as well till it reach the boom boom and area where area put it over rhythm. So they put it over rhythm now. The producer now Zoom, big up good production. I'm a general that you don't know him see now and say how the talk yeah. Are the straightest talk, are the ultimate talk. Now that have the talk, so the dance must go with the talk now, pan the rhythm.
So
you know what I mean?
So hurry up of your career there, so boy.
Yeah man, hurry up, I'm a general man, the whole streets know that man, you see me?
You have the edit version for it?
No, you know, we never have the edit version because really and truly we never know what I said was raw. I don't know. To the radio land, we never know, you know? We never get the edited version. So it would have to be like Zoom now, get the edited version if it can play up on the radio. But
make we hear a piece side.
Harrow side. Any other side is the wrong side, you know. What you know Zoom them here we talk about Harrow side and feel like it's a scary movie or a Harrow acting. Nothing like that. Them for know so when we say Harrow cause we straight and we evil with it. You're overs because you see from what they hear. Enough boy you talk about them straight when them feeble with it. You're overs.
Fast forward now, we see all the dance as well too.
Yeah, you don't know now the Harrow bunks. I mean.
And then we hear Zuma say they want the official song feet and all them things.
Yeah, Zoom have high priority for the Harrow bunks, you know. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Along with the Harrow walk, you know, big up boom boom, I him say Harrow walk, you know.
Yeah.
So that I want to walk with it, you know. So two dance actually, you know.
Wow.
We have the bunks and we have when we walk with it, which are the Harrow walk.
Which part Harrow General forward from?
Yeah man, I hail from Portmore, you know what I mean, Edgewater exactly.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You don't know, home of the new dancehall king and queen right now. So you know we forward with the whole heap of fire, big up Highway. So I'm gonna hear my message, you know say, we get inspiration from them man. The Turbulence, my general to likewise, you know I'm a general that.
Portmore full of talent man.
Yeah man, Portmore full of talent man, big up all of the Portmore artists there.
Let me ask a question, were you originally an artist or is it something that you just kind of evolve out of the whole slang thing?
Yeah, it evolved out of the old slang. Cause here we go now, after I start do it, you don't know the people them like it and the people them want. And them want me to do it. So I'm go to one party. They must say, Harrow General, take the fire phone now. Talk the thing them now. You know what I mean? Selector tell me say take the fire phone, do it, selector ask me to do it as intro. So with that now, eventually people start asking me for songs.
Harrow bongs, you have 15 in your lungs. Harrow bongs, who not with me say you don't see. Harrow bongs.
Eventually now I record, after I record for Zoom, release my the first song, which is Harrow Side. You know my Harrow Side spelled HORROSIDE. You know what I mean? Because when I use the ARROW, that is a stick or a sign, which can be bent and broken at any given time. Your overs, so we know depend that our arrow is a way of life. It cannot never be broken. Your overs, so yeah, so the Harrow Side now, and then my voice, another song now named Portmore Wars them, but well done music. You know what I mean? Big up my brother, well done music. People see me on the street with me every night, they know that's a double D. You know what I mean? And then now we are come up with the Harrow Bunks, so my voice for well done music again, and Kingston Elite, the giant project. You know what I mean? You know, say the dance, done burn up the street.
So it basically evolved out of the slang, so now you're a full-fledged artist now?
Yeah, I'm a full-fledged recording artist now, because now I have 3 official singles out. Officially, you know what I mean? So I'm now officially a recording artist.
What next for Harrow?
Well, now next we are looking to put out like my first official music video. It's supposed to be a medley with me and IFT and the CM Do It Really.
Last now I want you to tell us what most makes horror walk, horror bunks, horror side, intense.
Yeah, man. I'm telling you what make arrow bunks now intense. You see, the arrow bunks and arrow walk, basically you can do it on almost any rhythm. All at one drop.
You ready for show, eh?
Yeah, man. We are so I'm ready for show them, man. Ready every time, man. And that with the arrow bunks, man. It's fully intense, man. Leave in a Sanjay, man.
Horror side.
Yeah.